You just got engaged? Congratulations! Now, ito yung mga kailangan mong malaman. Una, kung nag-propose sa'yo ng merong ring, you have to insure it right now. Pero bago yon, get it appraised first. Ang pag-appraise ng engagement ring ay crucial step sa pag-secure ng appropriate insurance coverage. Ang process na to ay nag-involve ng professional evaluation para malaman yung current market value ng singsing mo. Kinoconsider nito yung factors such as yung quality and size of the gemstone, yung material and design ng band, and any unique attributes. Certified appraiser ang magbibigay ng detailed assessment and mag-i-issue ng formal report kung saan nakalagay yung replacement value ng ring. Yung appraisal na tong mag-i-ensure na kayang i-cover ng insurance policy yung full value ng ring pag may nangyaring loss, theft, or damage. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo yung dalhin sa jeweler, tapos i-figure out mo kung magkano yung actual worth niyan and pwede mo nang i-insure for that amount. Kung meron kang question about the appraisal process or kailangan mo ng insurance quote, send us a message.